sorry. Honey, lemon water. Oh, wait, you got a light? Okay, oh, right, yeah, what did you want? What was that? All right, where's Don? Oh, he's working at Captain's Elbow. Oh, so that's the problem. Hurricane Lena just stormed right through here. It was a good thing I was in the inner office casting. She found out. She's upset.
A little bit. Oh, say, all right. I've seen the new number. Or would you?
That Sheldon girl's real talented, no matter what Lena says. When the picture's released, I'm going to give her a big build-up. Say, how much we have left to do?
Sit out the big production I'm going to figure out.
Tap dancing. Huh? We've got to have tap dancing.
We can't have tap dancing. This is the French Revolution. Coming out of tap dancing.
We've got to have tap dancing.
We've got to have tap dancing.
See?
All right. I got a way we can do it. Okay, so let's say we put a modern section in the picture. Our hero is an up-and-coming Broadway star, right?
Right.
All right, so that means he can sing and dance, right?
Right.
All right. So between acts, he's backstage reading the tale of two cities. Suddenly, a sandbag comes in his head, and he imagines he's in the French Revolution, right?
Sensational.
Monumental pictures. Why is he enthusiastic over Lena's cake ice and dancing steps?
Wait, I never said that.
Premiere tomorrow night to reveal Lena Lamont's debut musical talent. But you can't just pull Christmas and the publicity department. I mean, we were all set for the campaign on Kathy's television.
Wait a second. I had nothing to do with this, she. I don't know anything about it, she.
What are we gonna do?
Nothing. You wouldn't want to call the newspapers and tell Lena Lamont's a big fat liar.
Say, Lena, did you have something to do with this? Did you put this stuff out?
Oh, I just gave an exclusive story to every newspaper in town.
Lena, you can't get away with this. You won't get away with this. Rod, phone back to newspapers.
I wouldn't do that if I were you,
Don't
Arnett.
tell me what to do, Lena.
Wait! Think I am dumb or something? I had my lawyers go over my contract.
Contract?
Yeah! And I control that publicity, not you.
Yeah?
Yeah! The studio is responsible for every word printed about me. And if I don't like it, I can sue you!
What?
I can sue you! If you were to tell the newspaper about Kathy Sheldon, it would be detrimental and deleterious to my career. I can sue you for the whole studio!
Now, that's a bunch of nonsense.
Oh, it says so right here. Contract dated June 8th, 1925. Paragraph 34, subdivision letter A. The party of the first part. That's me.
Okay, Lena, you win. Satisfied?
Ooh, just one little thing more.
What do you want? Want me to change the name of the studio to Lamont Pictures Incorporated?
Oh, Warren, give